I cooked 8 sausages, and then when they were cooked, I let the sausages cool down on the kitchen side, and then I cut the sausages in half.
Que no se ríe no existe, el perro.
Ríete. Ríete. Ríete.
Oh man, COVID. Okay, now say achoo. God boy.
I just got that on day.
That's enough.
Someone needs to tell him his Lap Access subscription has expired.
Dexter. Dexter. There we go. There we go. Get it, girl. Get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, girl.
Разбросит.
Ага. Облегчает. Мешайте. Помогает. Давай, выгружай.
Stay. Sit. And stop.
So the question is, can I get from here up the
Que no se ríe no existe, el perro.
Ríete. Ríete.
Money's been delivered this morning in the post office, so all you have to do is go in and do.
Daily doses of cuteness. See ya!
Get that dog! Get that dog! Keep jumping! Keep jumping!
Oh, you better be fast, Betty. Come. I caught him red-handed murder on the case. Get him out of there. Get out of there.
Hello. A ver.
Dame. Can it work?
This is the most adorable stalking move.
Hi. Hi. What, just because I hit pause on the TV?
No, no, siempre mismo no. Siempre me dice lo mismo. No, ¿hasta cuándo? Última vez entonces. O que aconteceu aqui? Lisa? Não foi você?
Ready, set, go.
On my sausage. Oh. Yeah.
You want your breakfast? Yeah, what? I know. You're so hungry.
Floor hugs were clearly not enough. Table hug is better. The commander is leading the most aerodynamic unit in the entire army.
All of this stuff take the air fryer.
Yummies.
What are you doing? You're going to come down? Go on then, baby. That's a good girl. Come on then. Whee!
No.
A spicy kitten who still needs his juice box.
You're an idiot.
Masito, masito, con Arturo. Masito, masito, abajo.
Are we all just gonna take turns smacking it?
Most people get a foot rub after work, so do horses.
She loves it.
One more brush, and he might actually melt into the floor.
Are we all just gonna take turns smacking it?
Excuse me. Ciao.
He heard you.
Huh? You're so squinty. You're so squinty. I don't want to, bro. I just want to watch TV.
And I'm waiting for the little puppy watch, y'all.
Look at that damn dog acting like a raccoon. While Zion washing dishes. She ain't let go yet. Look at her. Zola. Get it out.
Stop. Stop it. Give me a wet willy. Stop it.
All cats love blankets. What do you got? Do you like that toy? What is that? What is that? Where you going? What do you got?
De ce dai făina jos? Uite!
You're an idiot, you.
This is the most adorable stalking move.
Fainted. Oh no. What is me?
Stuck in the boards.
The cow's not asking for pets, she's demanding them.
Scratches.
This is exactly how my last meeting with my boss went.
No, no, siempre mismo no. Siempre me dicen lo mismo. No, ¿hasta cuándo? Última vez entonces.
Brio. Brio.
darling, gorgeous girl. Oh, a Mother's Day hug. Oh, good girl. Good girl. We love you, Bubbles.
They're taken out by an elephant before having. Oh my god.
No, que escapa.
Kumiska.
Oh no. Oh man. Stop.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Right?
Jay, you getting a nap or what? You go back to bed.
Oh my god, I love you.
I get it. Come.
Huh? You're so squinty. You're so squinty.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Happens when you leave a cheeseburger and cheese fries unattended for 5 seconds to go pee. I swear for cheese and crackers.
For a walk, then when we come back, you can have some sausages as a treat. I did, didn't I? Yeah. And we cut all the sausages in half, didn't we? Oh!
You trying to bite your foot? She's a bully, huh? I know.
He can't get through. This is hard.
Good boy.
Most people get a foot rub after work, so do horses.
She loves it.
Thank you, love. You guys are, you're crazy.
Hi, baby. I met you. Hi.
Dựa lấy khổ lan tỉnh nha, siêu trẻ.
Taz, you're fat.
I be sharing my love of doing voices in unusual places. And all of the voices you are gonna hear during my performance will be coming.
What is that?
You wanna go swim, buddy?
What is that? Oh my god, it's instinct, huh?
Yeah.
I caught him red-handed murder on the case. Get him out of there. Get out of there.
Get him, Rodney.
God.
Mimosa, are your children annoying you? Are they annoying?
Ah, baby. Alala. My chula.
The cow's not asking for pets, she's demanding them.
Scratches.
I know, waiting for the little puppy watch, y'all.
This is exactly how my last meeting with my boss went. Ask Seagull. A spicy kitten who still needs his juice box.
Oh man. COVID. Okay, now say achoo. Good boy.
Masito, masito, con Arturo. Masito, masito, abajo, apa.
Don't touch him.
Soon, the birds will take over his workplace.
Yeah, Leo, you're lucky. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
I need this.
Hi! Hi, baby! I met you! Hi! Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Let's go!
All cats love blankets.
What do you got? Do you like that toy? What is that? What is that?
What is that? You want to go swim, buddy? What is that? Oh my god, it's instinct, huh? Yeah. Let's go!
Say later. You don't give a fuck.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Right?
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir? Sir?
Should I get it? He said, I really can't get it. He can't get it.
Hi, baby. Can you dance? Look at mama. Get it, girl, get it, get it, get it.
Thank you, love. You guys are, you're crazy.
For sure. We can definitely do it this week.
I don't know what that means.
He's gonna. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
One more brush, and he might actually melt into the floor.
Brio. Brio.
When you see your parents making your
Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away.
Happens when you leave a cheeseburger and cheese fries unattended for 5 seconds to go pee. I swear for cheese and crackers.
Hey! Sir, we've been trying to reach you about your car's extended.
Can't believe this. Look at this guy. Come here. Go, take it. Get lost.
for sure. We can definitely do it this week.
I don't know what that means.
Разбуси. Ага. Облегчает. Не мешайте. Помогает. Давай, выгружай.
Screw.
Come on, racers.
Oh, my sausage. What? Yeah.
Que coisa, para com isso.
Oh, you got me. What?
Floor hugs were clearly not enough. Table hug is better.
Talenotan.
Ciao, cosa c'è? Scusa, oggi non ti ho salutato, scusami. Ciao, ciao Paperina, ciao. Scusa.
Get him, Rodney.
Talenotan.
Voila.
I'm
Jay, you getting a nap or what? You go back to bed.
I hope he's ready for the responsibilities of being the
You want your breakfast?
Yeah, what? I know. You're so hungry.
Soon, the birds will take over his workplace.
Hey! Sir, we've been trying to reach you about your car's extended.
Money's been delivered this morning in the post office, so all you have to do is go in and do.
The disrespect.
My God. Reese, what did you do? Mommy was just talking about how clean you are. Come on, Reese's.
Кто такая целовательница у меня, а? Кто моя целовашка сладкая?
Say later. You don't give a fuck.